Hello and welcome back to USA Cars Experts, the place where we explore the future of automobiles before they hit the streets. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, something that blends the spirit of luxury travel, advanced engineering, and the iconic DNA of BMW into one revolutionary concept. Imagine a vehicle that is not just a car, not just a camper, but a complete mobile luxury suite on wheels. This is the 2027 BMW Motorhome, a futuristic vision of how BMW could redefine long-distance travel, comfort, and innovation for those who want to take their home wherever the road leads. The idea of a motorhome is not new, but what happens when a brand like BMW steps into this segment? Everything changes. The 2027 BMW Motorhome is imagined as a perfect fusion of BMW's signature design language, cutting-edge technology, and premium craftsmanship with the practicality and freedom of a high-end recreational vehicle. From the very first look, you can tell this is not an ordinary motorhome. The sleek aerodynamic body, the bold kidney grille redesigned for a larger platform, and the sharp LED lighting signatures give it a strong, futuristic presence that instantly reminds you that this machine comes from the house of BMW. The exterior design is where luxury meets purpose. The motorhome carries a long, elegant silhouette with smooth lines flowing from front to rear, designed not only for beauty but also for aerodynamic efficiency. The pure red glossy finish, combined with chrome accents and large alloy wheels, gives it a premium and commanding road presence. Large panoramic windows are seamlessly integrated into the body, allowing natural light to flood the interior while maintaining privacy through smart tinting technology. Every inch of the exterior feels refined, modern, and carefully crafted to stand out whether it is parked in a luxury showroom or at a scenic campsite in the mountains. Under the body, the 2027 BMW Motorhome is imagined to be powered by a fully electric drivetrain, in line with BM's vision for sustainable mobility. A large battery pack sits beneath the floor, providing a low center of gravity and excellent stability. This electric system is designed to deliver silent, smooth, and powerful performance, making long road trips more relaxing and environmentally friendly. With an estimated range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge, this motorhome allows you to travel long distances without worrying about frequent stops. Fast charging capability ensures that even when you do stop, you can quickly get back on the road. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world. The interior of the 2027 BMW Motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. BMW's expertise in premium interiors shines here with high-quality leather seats, soft-touch materials, wooden trims, and ambient lighting that can be customized according to your mood. The driver cockpit is a masterpiece of modern technology, featuring a fully digital curved display, a minimalist dashboard, and BMW's latest iDrive system. Everything is designed to be intuitive, elegant, and futuristic. Behind the driver area, the motorhome opens into a spacious living area. This is where the concept truly shines. A comfortable lounge setup with plush sofas, a smart folding table, and large windows creates a welcoming space where you can relax, work, or entertain guests. The ambient lighting changes tones throughout the day, creating a calm and cozy environment. Advanced sound insulation ensures that the interior remains peaceful even when the vehicle is moving at high speeds. The kitchen area is another highlight. Equipped with modern appliances, a sleek marble-style countertop, hidden storage compartments, and smart lighting, it allows you to prepare meals just like you would at home. Everything is designed to maximize space without compromising on style. BMW's attention to detail can be seen in the way cabinets open smoothly, how appliances are integrated seamlessly, and how every corner is used efficiently. Moving further back, you reach the sleeping area, which feels like a luxury hotel bedroom. A premium bed with soft fabrics, reading lights, and smart climate control ensures maximum comfort. The panoramic window beside the bed allows you to wake up to beautiful views wherever you are parked. Privacy blinds and noise insulation guarantee a peaceful night's sleep. The design here focuses on relaxation, with warm lighting and soothing materials creating a calm atmosphere. The bathroom inside the 2027 BMW Motorhome is compact yet incredibly luxurious. A glass shower panel, modern fittings, smart water-saving technology, and elegant lighting make it feel like a high-end spa. Despite being in a moving vehicle, the bathroom is designed to be stable, safe, and comfortable to use. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. From voice-controlled systems to smart climate management, everything can be adjusted with simple commands. The entire motorhome can be controlled through a central touchscreen or even through a smartphone app. You can adjust lighting, temperature, window tint, and entertainment systems with ease. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power interior appliances, reducing dependency on external charging when parked. Safety is another area where BMW's expertise stands out. The 2027 BMW Motorhome is imagined to include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras. These features make driving such a large vehicle much easier and safer, even for those who are new to motorhomes. One of the most exciting aspects of this concept is the flexibility it offers. The furniture inside is modular and can be rearranged according to your needs. The living area can transform into a dining area, and additional sleeping spaces can be created when needed. This makes the motorhome perfect for families, couples, or even solo travelers who want luxury and freedom at the same time. Entertainment is also a key focus. A large hidden screen can slide out for movie nights, while a premium surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. High-speed internet connectivity ensures that you can work remotely or stay connected with the world no matter where you are. The 2027 BMW Motorhome is not just about travel, it is about lifestyle. It represents the freedom to explore without leaving comfort behind. You can park near a beach, in a forest, or on a mountain, and still enjoy the same luxury you would have in a 5-star hotel. This concept shows how the future of travel could look when innovation meets comfort. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the motorhome. Hidden compartments, under-seat storage, and smart cabinets ensure that you can carry everything you need for long journeys without creating clutter. Every space is used intelligently, reflecting BMW's design philosophy of functionality with elegance. Driving this motorhome is imagined to be surprisingly easy. Thanks to electric power delivery and advanced steering systems, it feels smooth and controlled on highways and city roads alike. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and provide a comfortable ride even on rough terrains. In terms of design philosophy, the 2027 BMW Motorhome carries BMW's core values of innovation, luxury, and performance into a completely new segment. It shows how a brand known for sporty sedans and SUVs could redefine the world of recreational vehicles with a fresh perspective. This motorhome is perfect for those who love road trips, adventure, and exploration but do not want to compromise on comfort. It is designed for modern travelers who want technology, sustainability, and luxury all in one package. As we imagine the future, concepts like the 2027 BMW Motorhome inspire us to think differently about travel. It is no longer just about reaching a destination, it is about enjoying every moment of the journey in the most comfortable way possible. Thank you for watching USA Cars Experts. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic BMW motorhome concept, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing automotive content from the future. Let us know in the comments if you would love to travel the world in a BMW motorhome like this. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and stay tuned for more innovations from the world of cars.